So when we were building out the FJ for the backroad purpose trip, one of the things that we were contemplating getting was a rooftop tent. And while I was doing a bunch of research, just trying to justify the purchase of a rooftop tent, because a rooftop tent is like $1,000 and a ground tent is like 200 bucks for like a nice one. So I was trying to like come up with reasons to justify getting that cool piece of equipment for our FJ. And one of the things that I was kind of like having trouble with justifying that was I couldn't find any videos that like showed how it actually worked, how it opened up, how it closed, the whole process, how long it actually took. So this is actually a clip that I stumbled upon when Emily and I were in Durango. No. We were in Pagoso Springs, Colorado. It was like the last part of our trip, and this is a clip that I actually stumbled upon when I was looking through some footage the other day of us actually setting up our tent in real time, how long it took me and my wife to set up the tent. So I wanted to just post this and share this with you guys to kind of, when I was looking for a rooftop tent and trying to get information about it, there wasn't this available. So I want to at least put this out there for you guys. I will do another one of actually closing the tent and how long that takes. Opening up the rooftop tent is very simple. It really only takes like 2 minutes. Honestly, you could probably do it even faster. We didn't always set up the poles. We just didn't think it was necessary. But all of our sleeping bags were up there. We had our pillows. We had a little 12-volt fan and a little battery bank for charging our phones. We literally left all of that stuff up in the rooftop tent. And then when we closed it, we had no issues with it closing. So yeah, here you go.
All right, we're about to put up the tent. Ready? Something of ours? Cool. Do you want me to open the side windows?
The poles?
All right, that's all there's to it.
So yeah, it is a very straightforward process. It's super simple. We really liked our rooftop tent. I don't know if I would get it again, but that's a topic for another video on another date. So, but I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any questions about the rooftop tent or any insight about it, I mean, we probably use that thing probably just shy of 300 times. Ask me those questions, leave me a comment, and I'm gonna try to address as many of those in a future video about the rooftop tent and if we would or would not get it again and the pros and cons behind that. So if that's something you guys are interested in, let me know. But for now, I appreciate you guys following along. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, we would really, really appreciate it. And the bus boat is coming along, and it's we've got lights and sealing and installation, and I just did a bunch of wiring today, so yeah, it's coming. I'm excited. Appreciate you guys.